radi o biofiziološkom poboljšivaču i odnosno aktivatoru tla GeO2. Kolega Benoit Lerumer iz Francuske, naš ekspert, 40 godina iskustva na terenu. Htio bih vas pozdraviti u njegovo ime, u svoje osobno ime, u ime firme Olmix, u ime distributera našeg Stocktona, preko kojeg radimo u Hrvatskoj. 5. godina. Ovo je tabla gnojena s GeO2. Tamo je kontrola sa MPK, količina dušika ista sa svake strane. Htio bih samo reći da bi polako mogli krenuti odmah vruće.
When we are opening a profile, we are always going deep, because when we are going only here, you just can see how the soil is organized by machine. So we need to go down to see how the soil is organized where never farmer worked. The first thing is to look at what is the potential of production. Here we see that we've got a lot of soil. So we've got a lot of minerals able to feed the plant. The second question is, how does the root take advantage of that? How deep are they going? The first, as you see with the digger, we've compacted the soil. First we are going to clean this compaction, be able to see how the soil looks like really. Something very, just to show you, when I'm putting the pressure here, I'm able to enter with the knife very easily. Here I cannot. Okay, down, it's always much better organized than on the top. And when I'm looking here, just look at that. Even with my 100 kilos, I'm not able to enter in. So, if I was just looking at that, I would have said, what a nice rooting system. Okay? But if I'm looking here, no roots. If I'm going there, no roots. Okay? That means that here, when the soil is dry, the soil is opening like that. Okay? And this is something which is allowing the roots to go down. So this is these roots are all going through an old quake line. And when I'm looking at these roots, I take it. Okay? You see that the roots, the small roots, they are not going in every way. They're just like a fish bone, because they've just taken the space in between two blocks just to go down. Yes. That means that if I'm calculating the volume explored by the roots, I'm not going to count that. Yeah, 40 centimeters. Then here I can find the roots. Okay. Inside, you don't have roots. Outside, you have roots. This is dry. This is wet. Okay, I've got moisture but no roots. I've got dryness but a lot of roots. Let's go on the other. I've taken this piece at the bottom. Okay? If we look like that, we see that there is just soil. Can you tell me what is that? Okay. Small roots. Small roots.
Can you show
This
to the
is
camera?
2 meters deep. When we are looking at the moisture, this is without touching the soil. This is with touching the soil.
Znači s ovom je mjesec.
Here there's water.
Ovo je koliko ima vlaka.
Okay? Roots connected to water,
Korijen
plants
povezan
are less
s vodom.
suffering.
Nakon nego je sve raspoređeno puno šire, sad se to dobro vidi.
Here I would like you to look at this piece of soil. Here you see that there are a lot of small holes.
Yep.
These walls have been done. Sorry, could you take it? These holes have been done not by machines, because here there's no way that any machine is working. This is what we call porosity, microbic porosity. So if I'm looking here,
Ako gledamo ovdje,
here I've got one.
pogledajte, ovdje je jedan.
Okay.
I sad kreće korijenova zona.
I sad gledajte, korijen
I sad je
Your
korijenova
others?
zona vam tu i sad vam je oddale. Korijen prema gore. Sad kreće, vidiš puno sitno korijen. Dobro vidi. Znaš koliko je, evo šta.
The other I gave you.
Yes.
Yes.
From the empty field.
From the other field. I've taken this one.
Uzeo je ovaj korijen.
A lot of roots, flat roots, and all going like that.
Skreći. Ovo je odavde.
Thank you. Lot of small roots
Puno malo korijenja.
going everywhere, and the big roots going down straight. Okay.
Ravno dole.
And if you're looking here, you see that you've got the first and the second row
Prvi i drugi red adventivnog korijena.
developed, but the second row is not
Razvijen,
inside the soil.
ali drugi.
Here is the second row. Here is the first row,
Ovo je prvi,
and here is the second row.
ovo je drugi.
That means that these roots are already active,
Ovi su
while the others are not. When we are looking at
red.
the corn,
Da pogledamo na kukuruz, odnosno na korijen kukuruza.
here is the seed,
Ovdje je sjeme.
okay, and the first roots are developing themselves from the seed,
Each
and,
creates
and
its
after a small while, they are becoming brown, they are dying. This is the second crone.
Odnosno,
This is the second crone. And this second crone,
ta
I've
druga
replaced already all these.
je već
They already
zamijenila.
have replaced the
Prvo
first
korijen.
roots. And when these ones
Kad ovo odu,
will be dead, these ones here will start growing.
onda počinje rast treći.
That means that the more stages of roots are able to enter in the soil,
Što više.
the more the plant is going to be able to catch elements from the top to the bottom.
E sad vidite, ovo je ovo. To je
Koliko
razlika
je
između
skraćeno,
tehnologije
taj
naše
korijen, koliko je
i PK.
skraćeno.
Jer mi skraćujemo internodi, zašto? Zato što biljku tjeramo da se sama hrani. Ona se prvo ukorjenjuje, a onda raste. A ovdje prvo raste pa se onda ukorjenjuje i to radi istovremeno. Tako da vam je ova ovdje.
Less fertilizer,
Manje
more
gnojeva,
stimulation. The plant is feeding
biostimulacija.
with the roots,
Biljka se hrani
not
korijenom.
with the fertilizer. So fertilizer should be only what is only the soil not able to provide to the plant. More microbes,
Organizama.
more porosity, more root, denser rooting system, and deeper rooting system. More access to water and more efficiency of the fertilizer. This is what we are doing with the GeO2.